Okay, if you want to oil your Von Moof, first of all, your little toolkit, it comes with some oil. So you get that little Von Moof toolbox. And the first thing you want to do after that, you can flip it upside down and oil it through the chain guard protector, the black plastic thing that completely encloses and houses the chain, or you can remove it. Like, for example, this is the chain protector for this one. Well, why would you do that? Well, if you do that, you can actually go in and clean the chain all the way around, and you can lube the chain all the way around. So that's it. Pretty simple. Don't forget, after you get through, put your chain protector back on, wipe up any excess oil, and you're good to go. If you want to take your battery out of your Von Moof and you pop it upside down, this is what you'll see. There'll be a cap on the bottom with a screw in the middle and then a screw to the left and to the right. The screw on one side is easy to get, but the screw on the other side, it's a lot more difficult. Why is that? It's because it has that guard thing there. And when you take that off, it almost looks like a belt drive, but it's not. It's a chain protector. When you take it off, you'll see the chain fully exposed. And when you take off the chain to see it fully exposed, you see that hole right there? That's where that other screw goes. You can pop that off, and then you can see right there is the battery, and you just pull it out. But first, don't forget, you gotta let the air completely out of the tires. So this is flat, and then the battery will pull out against the tire like so. And it'll be something like that. But that is an S2 battery. The S3 is a little bit different. But that gives you, in a nutshell, how easy it is to remove the battery from an S2 or an S3.